Welcome to our channel. In this video, we're going to guide you through the process of taking advantage of the extended Britbox free trial using the legal method in 2025. Follow these step-by-step instructions to maximize your viewing experience. Step 1. Visit the Britbox website. First, navigate to the official Britbox website. Ensure you are using a reliable internet connection for a seamless experience. Step 2. Find the free trial offer. On the homepage, look for the banner or section promoting the free trial. This is generally highlighted prominently, making it easy to locate. Step 3. Click Start Free Trial. Once you have found the free trial offer, click on the Start Free Trial button. This will redirect you to the registration page. Step 4. Create an account. If you are not already a member, you will need to create an account. Fill in the required information such as your email address and a secure password. Make sure to use valid credentials to avoid any issues later. Step 5. Choose your payment method. To take advantage of the free trial, you may be required to enter your payment information. Select your preferred payment method and input the necessary details. Remember, you won't be charged until the free trial period ends. Step 6. Review terms and conditions. Before proceeding, take a moment to review the terms and conditions of the trial. Ensure you understand how long the trial lasts and what happens when it ends. Step 7. Complete registration. After reviewing the terms, complete your registration by clicking on the relevant button, such as Complete Registration or Sign Up. Step 8. Start watching. Congratulations. You are now registered and can start enjoying a wide range of British television shows and movies that Britbox offers during your free trial period. Step 9. Set a reminder. Set a reminder on your calendar a few days before the trial ends. This will help you decide whether you'd like to continue with a paid subscription or cancel to avoid any charges. Step 10. Enjoy your content. Explore the vast library of Britbox and enjoy binge-watching your favorite series and films without interruptions. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video. Thank you for watching and happy streaming.